Hello friends, welcome back to our channel AK Gardening Passion. Friends, looking at the intro, you know the video is on Torenia plant. So let's get started. But before starting the actual video, if you have not subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and turn the settings to all so that you will get the latest notifications from the channel, and don't forget to like and share the videos. Friends, in this video, you all will know about Torenia plant under the headings like introduction of the plant, then the soil required for the plant, then how to propagate the plant, watering requirements or water requirements of plant, then light requirements for plant, then fertilizers to be used, then pest control and overall care of the plant. So first, let's see introduction of the plant. Torenia plant is a winter flowering plant known by many names like Torenia, Fureri, wishbone flower, then blue wings, and it is available in color shades like purple or royal blue shade, pink and white. The flower texture is light velvety and the plant grows about 1 feet tall, and the stem part or branches are delicate. It is easy to grow plant. The plant will flower from winters to summers depending upon temperature of the area or geographical conditions which favors the plant growth. It will struggle in temperature above 40 degrees Celsius and above. The plant can be used in balcony gardens, terrace gardens, in window boxes and also side by the lawn. You can create a border of the plant by planting these plants at the distance of 1 feet. Now let's see the soil requirement of the plant or potting mix for it. If you are growing the plant in a pot, then use 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of sand and 1 part of vermicompost or old cow dung compost, and add 1 handful of neem cake powder or half teaspoon of fungicide powder to it, and then mix up all the contents. If you are growing the plant in container or pot, then the pot should be of at least 8 inches to 9 inches in size, and it should have adequate drainage holes so that the excess water should be drained from the pot. If you are planning to plant the Torenia plant in land directly, then loosen up the area and add vermicompost or cow dung compost to it. Now let's see how you can grow this plant. That is, let's see propagation of the Torenia plant. Propagation of plant can be done by seeds. Also, you can buy the seedlings of the plant from local nurseries, as it is easily available plant. You can sow the seeds of Torenia in month of September or October, or buy the plant at these months. Then let's see about water requirements of the plant. Plant requires moderate watering frequency, so water the plant when the upper layer of soil becomes dry. In winter months, the watering frequency might be thrice in a week, and in summers it may be daily. So water the plants when upper layer of soil becomes dry. Talking about light requirements of the Torenia plant. To get more blooms or to get full blooms on the plant, as I have kept the plant in full sun, where the plant receives direct sunlight of 6 to 7 hours daily, but 5 hours of direct sunlight is enough for it, so that the plant will flower fully and the plant will have lots of blooms. If you will keep the plant in shade or shady area, there will be very less flowering or might be no flowering on the plant, and the plant will be leggy. That is, the stem part of the plant will grow long. Now let's see about fertilizer requirement of Torenia plant. For more growth of foliage, use or add DAP crystals. 8 crystals for 8-inch pot are enough at one time. Add DAP crystals twice in a month and add NPK, that is in ratio of 19-19-19. You can use half teaspoon in 1 liter of water and add the water to the plant or a pot. You can use NPK twice a month for 1 month old plant. Initially remove the buds of flowers, which will make the plant to form more branches, that is, the food will be used by the plant for its growth and not for flowering. If you will take flowers initially when the plant is small, then it will not have much growth. I have removed all the buds from the plant initially when it was small. Once the plant becomes bushy and big, then you can start to take flowering. And at this stage of budding or more buds, add NPK in ratio of 0:50:34. You can use this type of NPK when the plant has budding stage, so that the plant will produce more buds and vibrant color of flowers and also in large size. Half teaspoon of NPK can be added to 1 liter of water and add the water to the pot. Also, you can spray this NPK on the plant. Do this, that is adding of NPK 0:50:34 2 to 3 times in a month. I have used in such a way and the result are in front of you. Now let's see the pests or infestations in Torenia plant, and let's see how to prevent and control it. As such, the only problem in Torenia plant is fungal attacks. For it, you can spray neem oil once in 15 days. You can add fungicide powder half teaspoon to 1 liter of water and spray on the plant. So let's see tips to get full blooms on Torenia plant. Tip 1. When plant is small, do debudding to get more growth of the plant. And tip 2 is, friends, you have to remove the spent flowers, and this is one of the spent flower, and the dry part of this flower falls off and remaining is this part, and this part remains on the inflorescence stick of the plant, and from here the seed formation takes place. So you have to remove this part whole from the inflorescence stick or a plant. You can remove it daily or you can remove it after 2 days, but removing this is important. If you will not remove this part, then the plant will start seed formation and there will be no flowering or less flowering. So these are all spent flowers. You can remove the spent flowers like in single form, or also you can remove the spent flowers when it is full on inflorescence, and you can remove the inflorescence stick as whole so that it will be easy for you. And also when you remove the inflorescence stick whole, the plant will start to produce more branches and also flowering. So here now I have a short footage which I have recorded later after many days, and when I had left the plant for seed formation, and I have not removed spent flowers from it. So you can see how the plant has stopped flowering as I have not removed spent flowers. So removing of spent flowers is important for more blooms. So this is one of the tip. Then tip 3 is keep the plant in full sun, and tip 4 is avoid overwatering. So friends, this was about the plant Torenia. If you like the plant, then add it to your garden. You will not be disappointed. If you will follow our instructions given in this video, you will enjoy such blooms in your garden. We really appreciate you all for patiently watching the video till end. If visited channel for first time, then do subscribe the channel as it's absolutely free. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share the video. Do comments on the video and give feedback and ask your queries. We will definitely try to give solution to it. Follow us on our Instagram page, that is our channel name AK Gardening Passion. Till then, keep watching another videos on the channel. Thank you. So let's meet with another interesting video. Till then, spread plants and save Mother Nature. If nature can give us, then why can't we?